The wait is finally over for fans of Ajay Devgan's Son of Sardar 2. After releasing the teaser, the makers have now dropped the full trailer. The trailer gives a detailed look at the action, punches, and comedy that the film promises to deliver. The trailer starts with a warm nod to the original Son of Sardar from 2012, reminding viewers of the story they loved. This new film is set in the beautiful landscapes of Scotland, with Ajay Devgan once again playing the role of Jassi. Mrinal Thakur stands out in the trailer, showing great chemistry with Ajay Devgan. Their popular hook step from the viral song Pehla Tu Dooja Tu adds extra fun to their scenes. Fans also felt emotional seeing Mukul Dev on screen for the last time. He appears alongside well-known actors like Vindu Dara Singh, Ravi Kishan, and Kubra Saith. The film is directed by Vijay Kumar Arora and features a star-studded cast including Ajay Devgan, Ravi Kishan, Sanjay Mishra, Neeru Bajwa, Chunky Pandey, Deepak Dobriyal, and many others. Produced by Ajay Devgan and Jyoti Deshpande, Son of Sardar 2 is set to release in theatres on 25th July 2025. Fans have been quick to react to the trailer on social media. Some of their responses include, Sanjay Datta sir ka at least one cameo in Son of Sardar 2 is totally goosebumpsa. 2 to 3 punch lines are enough for people to come to theatre. Ajay Devgan as Jassi देखते ही हंसी आ जाती है, ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन देते हैं, हिट है बॉस. Superstar Ajay Devgan Action King Comedy King, Woo. Fans also shared their love and respect for the late Mukul Dev. Mukul Dev ji, no hate for this movie. Mukul Dev the legend. I'm so happy to see Mukul Dev once again. With a perfect blend of powerful action, fun comedy, and heartfelt moments, Son of Sardar 2 looks ready to entertain audiences big time. Make sure to mark your calendars for its release this July. Parag Tyagi has broken his silence after facing backlash for posting a tribute to his late wife, Shefali Zariwala, on social media. Just days after Shefali's sudden passing, Parag shared an emotional video on Instagram. The video featured himself, their beloved dog Simba, and a tender image of Shefali's hand. The caption read, "Together forever." While many fans offered love and support, some accused Parag of seeking attention. But Parag didn't stay silent. He clapped back, writing, "For those who are trying to garner attention by saying I shall not post so soon, bhai sab log aapki tarah nahi hote." Pari loved to be on social media and enjoyed the love poured to her. Parag also made it clear that he would continue to post in Shefali's memory. "Between I have never been a social media person and now she is in my heart and I will make sure she is being loved by everyone forever. I am going to cherish her memories with all of you." There were also false rumors that their dog Simba was unwell after Shefali's death. Parag shut them down with a touching video of Simba performing traditional rituals. He wrote, "This video is for all those wonderful people who were really concerned about our baby Simba because of some heartless people spreading false news, just to garner few likes and views." Shefali Zariwala, remembered for the iconic Kanta Laga video, passed away on 27th June at the age of 42, reportedly due to a cardiac arrest. Her sudden death shocked fans and the industry alike. Parag and Shefali were married since 2014. Through his heartfelt posts, Parag continues to keep her memory alive. Recently, rumors started swirling online about actress Nayanthara and her husband Vignesh Shivan having problems in their marriage. But Nayanthara has now responded in a fun and clear way, showing that everything is perfectly fine between them. Nayanthara shared this light-hearted Instagram story, where she is seen happily sitting on Vignesh Shivan's back as they lie on the grass. Both are smiling and looking relaxed. Our reaction when we see loopy news about us. Her post clearly dismisses the gossip in a fun and subtle way, showing she's unbothered and even amused by the false rumors. The rumors began when a screenshot, supposedly from Nayanthara's Instagram story, surfaced online. It contained emotional lines like, "Marrying a fool is wrong, men don't grow up," and "Please leave me alone, I'm so tired." This made fans and gossip pages think that the couple might be heading for a breakup. This isn't the first time such rumors have spread. Back in March 2024, Nayanthara briefly unfollowed Vignesh on Instagram and shared a cryptic post, which also sparked breakup talks. But soon after, the couple shut down those rumors by sharing a beautiful family photo from their trip to Jeddah, featuring their twin sons, showing their relationship is going strong. Nayanthara and Vignesh have been together for several years. They fell in love while working on a film in 2015 and got married in June 2022. In October 2022, they welcomed twin boys through surrogacy. Since then, they have shared many personal moments with fans and always appeared united and happy, proving that love and family come first. Legendary singer Asha Bhosle's fans were shocked recently after a viral Facebook post falsely claimed she had passed away. But don't worry, the singer is absolutely fine. The rumor began when a Facebook user named Shabana Sheikh shared a post with a garlanded photo of the iconic singer. The caption read, "Famous singer Asha Bhosle passed away, a musical era ends, 1st July 2025. The fake news spread quickly, with several posts echoing the same false message. Fans across the internet were left stunned and confused. Reacting to the rumor, Asha Bhosle's son Anand Bhosle shut it down immediately. He said, "It's untrue." Just a few days ago, Asha Bhosle, who is 91 years old, attended the re-release screening of Rekha's 1981 film Umrao Jaan in Mumbai. For those who remember, Asha had sung the iconic song Ye Kya Jagah Hai Dosto for the film. At the event, Asha ji tried to sing the song again. Though she struggled a bit, Rekha lovingly hugged her from behind in a touching moment of support. For those who don't know, Asha Bhosle married Ganpatrao Bhosle at the age of 16 and had 3 children. They separated in 1960. She later married music legend R.D. Burman in 1980, and they were together until his death in 1994. Asha made a huge comeback with the songs of Rangila and even starred in the film Main in 2013 at the age of 79. Apart from music, she also loves cooking and runs restaurants in cities across the world. So let's not believe in fake news. Asha Bhosle is alive, well, and still inspiring generations with her incredible legacy. Comedian Kapil Sharma's popular eatery, Carps Cafe, in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, was attacked late Wednesday night. Unidentified assailants opened fire at the cafe, leaving the community shocked and concerned. According to reports, nearly 12 bullets were fired at the restaurant. In response, Carps Cafe shared a strong message on Instagram. They wrote, "We opened Carps Cafe with hopes of bringing warmth, community and joy through delicious coffee and friendly conversations. To have violence intersect with that dream is heartbreaking. We are processing this shock, but we are not giving up." The cafe expressed gratitude to their supporters. They said, "This cafe exists because of your belief in what we are building together. Let's stand firm against violence and ensure Carps Cafe remains a place of warmth and community." The attack was claimed by Harjeet Singh Laddi, a Khalistani terrorist wanted by India's National Investigation Agency. He is associated with the banned group Babbar Khalsa International. Sources say Laddi cited one of Kapil Sharma's past remarks as the reason for the attack. However, it's still unclear if the cafe was the main target or if the firing was meant as a warning to the comedian himself. Kapil Sharma's hit show, Kapil Sharma Show Season, recently premiered on an OTT platform on 21st June, attracting a huge audience. Despite this frightening incident, Carps Cafe vows to keep going, standing strong against violence, and continuing to be a place of joy and community for all. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.